Hey there! As you know, the battery in our laptops won't last forever and tends to degrade with time due to regular charge and discharge cycles, which is a normal process. But due to it, the original capacity of battery starts to go downhill, resulting in lesser charge than earlier, and in some cases, you see random shutdowns. So, how do you check this, and what are the indications that you will have to replace the battery? Well, I'm here to help you on it. My name is Rohit, and in this video, I'll show you two methods by which you can check the health, performance, and estimated life of your battery for Windows-based laptops. Let's start. For the first method, open your command prompt or Windows terminal and type this command. This will generate a battery life report in HTML format and can be found at this address. Over here, instead of Rohit, it will be your computer's name and rest will be the same. This report will show you the battery capacity, its history, battery life estimates, and stats related to recent usage. For my laptop, as you can see, there is some difference between the design capacity and full charge capacity, which clearly indicates that the battery has deteriorated from its original capacity over time. Next, the battery capacity history shows you how the full charge capacity has fared against the original design capacity over time. As you keep on using this will keep on reducing. Additionally, battery life estimates show you how long your laptop should last depending on the design capacity versus how long it's lasting. Do note that these reports change every time you generate a new battery life report, so keep a copy of the old one at a separate place if you want to compare it later. Now, if you want to get more assurance on the report generated, you can use a third-party software. I recommend you to download this software where you can check all the information related to your computer's hardware. So, when you open the program, on your left-hand side, go to Smart Battery option and under it select Battery. This will show you all the details related to your battery, such as the model of the battery, design, full charge capacity, wear level, current capacity, charge rate, etc. This will be enough to confirm the condition of your battery. So this is how you check your laptop's battery health in Windows. Depending upon your choice, both methods should give you a proper idea about the charging speed, holding capacity, and wear level. I hope this was useful and would appreciate your support if you could like this video and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.